Today I'll be using a high step, but you can be using a chair, an ottoman, a weight bench, whatever works best for you. We're going to be sitting down to it and using it to help us balance through a lot of these single leg movements. I'll also be using a weighted bar at the beginning, but feel free to use dumbbells or just your body weight. Are you ready to get started? Let's go. Okay, are you ready? I'm going to take my feet hip width wider apart. It really depends on how this feels to you. So we're just going to sit down. You're going to come down and you're going to bring it up. Down, bring it up. So you want to try to get away from going straight down into the knees. Okay, sit back, but keeping the chest lifted. What's nice about having the bench there is you've got a little bit of a target. And what I like about the mini step is it's adjustable. I can just take away risers or add them. Right? Okay, 2 more. So make sure that those knees are in line with your toes but not going past. 1 more. All right, now come down and give me 2 little half reps. Push into the heels and then all the way up. Drive up into those heels. So this is our overall warm-up. And drive up. So if you're feeling any kind of knee discomfort, make sure your feet are not too close so that those knees are jutting forward, okay? 1 more. All the way up. Okay, perfect. All right, so I'm going to use a bar. I have a barbell. It's a short barbell. The weight of the barbell is about 22 pounds. You can use dumbbells. So I'm going to squat to pick it up. I'm going to bring it up. I'm going to roll it down so it's across my shoulder blades, not on my neck. Okay? So come down for 4. And then back up. Okay, so if you want to use that bench, 2, 3, 4, drive up. We're just adding a little more resistance to the movement. Up. Okay, a little bit faster. Make sure the knees aren't buckling inward. Really think about using those hips. Abs tight. Now come down. 1, 2, 3. Down. 1, 2, 3. So if you want a little more challenge, go a little deeper or don't touch the bench. Good, how you doing? Are you getting warm? You could do all this with just body weight. All right, bring it back. Now I'm going to bring that bar up, take it down, and I've got a hip hinge. So hips back and up. I'm going to move back a little bit. Okay, you ready? Hip, back, shoulders back. So shifting those hips back. It's not about going deep, okay? You keep going down until those hips can't go any farther. Shoulders back, shoulders back. Should feel the glute, low back, hamstring. Now we've got some balance exercises coming. So you can use your chair or even like a dowel or something to hang on to if you need that. All right, bring it up. Back over. And then we've got that squat again. Down and up. Do you feel like you've gotten warm? So the squats, yes, they work the glutes, a little bit of hamstring, but predominantly quadriceps. 1 more. Now bring it up. RDL, shoulders back, and go. Down. Oh, I'm hitting my step. I had a feeling that was going to happen. And up. Shift back. 4 more. It's a good overall warm-up for all the muscles of the lower body. Good, 2 more. Last one. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna put my bar down. Now I'm gonna use my mini step as a platform to balance on. I'm never gonna step up on it. So I'm gonna hang on here. Now it might be more comfortable or less comfortable for you depending on your height, your torso length. So I'm gonna step this foot back, my support leg. I'm gonna bring my knee in, and then I'm gonna take that leg back, out. Pause and down. Bring it all the way in. Pause at the top. Bring that knee in toward your chest. So I'm not standing on a straight leg.
Yo, check this out.
Now, if you have an ankle weight, you could grab that. I just don't have it. All right, let's go a little faster.
Yo, check this out.
Out. Out. Last 4. 2 more. Last one. Bring yourself up. Now that leg that was kicking back is your forward leg on this lunge. You can use balance if you need to. Come down. Okay, and up. Down. Watch this knee. Keep it over your heel. Now stay at the bottom. 3, 2, 1. Press up. 3, 2, 1. Press up. 1 more. Let's go slow again. 1 more time. Down 2. Up 2. Get that back knee behind the hip. And then 3 at the bottom. 1, 2, 3. Drive into that heel. 1 more. Now step in. Same leg again. Hip forward. Walk that support leg back. Bring it back. Then in. Out. Pause and in. Then single counts. Out. Out. Squeeze that glute every time. Last 3, 2, 1 more. Bring yourself up into that lunge. This leg is your forward leg. 2, 2. How you doing? Knee toe turned out. Make sure they're not caving inward. Pulse down 3. And again. Bring it in. All right. Did you feel that leg? We're not done with it yet. Again, now if you need something for balance, take it, okay? Hip forward. Bring it up. So hip hinge. Now I'm going to lift that leg. Optional. Back. Here's where you could be hanging on to something. That hip goes back. Don't drop that shoulder. Should definitely be feeling that. Give me 4 more.
Yo, check this out.
Shoulders back. Look about 4 or 5 feet in front of you. Give me 1 more. Now stand up. This leg out. Lift. Lower. So I'm not leaning away from the lifting leg. I'm staying straight up or even leaning toward that lifting leg. Standing on a bent leg. Again, balance if you need it. Singles. Now if you want to use a band, you could. Good, 2 more. Okay, we're going to slow it down again. 2, 2. Out. Slide bend in the knee, both knees. And then singles. Guess what? We're going to put it all together. Uh-oh. Now bring it down. Same leg. OMG. Take it back. Bring it in. Single count. 3. Get ready for that lunge. 1 more. Step that leg forward. 2, 2 count. Down. Up. Now 3 pulses down. 1, 2, 3. Push into that heel. Okay, you're going to step in, hip hinge. Lift the leg or not. Up. Get your balance. One more, and then that leg's going to go to the side. Nice and slow. Lift. Now see how I put my hand out to help me balance? Single counts. 4, 3, 2, rest. Okay, now you should be feeling that standing leg too, okay? Because it's worked the whole time. All right, so we're going to switch sides. So I'm going to come on this side. I'm going to shift that. Give us a little bit of room to work with. Bring it down. Now you're on the other leg. Bring it back. And in. Keep those abs in. That's supporting your back. Bring that knee in. Nice job. 4 more slow. How you feeling? You got 2 more slowly. Pause at the top of each movement. And then single counts. Out. Now make sure you're not swinging this. This is a very deliberate movement. 4 more. All right, we're going to slow it down again. 2, 2. Back. Pause. In. Back. Pause. In. Single counts. Okay, we're going to do that one more time. 2, 2. Single counts. Now get ready. This leg that's kicking back is going to be your front leg on your lunge. Bring yourself up. 2, 2 count. And up. Make sure you're in a line. 2 more like that. So you're driving into this heel. Down 3 pulses. 1, 2, 3, up. So notice there's a lot of balance going on. You can always modify this lunge by not going as deep. 2, 2. Okay, you feeling it? Down 3 pulses. We're going to go back to that kickback. Now we got less reps. Step in. Slow. Back. And in. Single counts. 3, 2. Bring it forward. 2, 2 count. Down. Up. 3 pulses. And again, we got 1 more set. Kick back slow. And quicker. 1 more. Set up for your lunge. All right, 2, 2. Don't go forward into that knee. Triple down. 1, 2, 3. All right. Step in. All right. Tip forward. And up. So think nice straight back. Let those hips, or at least this hip, shift back. Sometimes people will overcompensate and then round the spine instead of hinging at the hip. You can always tap back. Okay, if you're really wobbly, you could be holding weights if you want. One more. All right, now lift this leg to the side slowly. Remember, don't lean away from that lifting leg. Stand on a bent leg. Hang on to something if you need to, okay? Single counts. So you're lifting with the side of the foot. Try not to turn that toe up. All right. Slow again. Lift. One more. That single counts. We're going to go back to that single leg RDL. All right? Balance. Tip from the hip. Keep weighting that heel. Okay, to the side, nice and slow. Single counts. 4. Now we're going to put it all together. You ready for the slow kickback? Sure you are. Bring it down, nice and slow. Squeeze that glute. Now singles, 3 of them. 1, 2, one more. Get ready for that lunge. This leg is forward. Down 2. Again, straight down. Almost 3. And again, now we're going to go to that single leg RDL. Step in. Tip. Bring it back. 2 more. Put that hip back. You should feel that. 1 more. Okay, lift that leg to the side. Pause. Down. You're working both legs, obviously. Singles. All right, we got to go through that one more time. All right. Kick back slowly. And then singles. You got 3 of them. Get ready for your lunge. 1 more. Step forward. 2 count. Up. Down 3 at the bottom. 1, 2, 3. Push into that heel. Get ready for the RDL, Romanian deadlift. All right, balance. 2 more. Remember, you can just step that toe back. Okay, the lateral leg lift. You didn't see that. Up. Down it happens. And then singles. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Did you feel that? Okay, have a seat. Nice and quick. And then bring the side of your foot on your thigh and just stretch out that hip really quick. Good. Switch sides. Bring that in, lift up tall and twist, release that back. It did a lot of work. Other way, lift up. Now, I hope you got a good workout. Let me know what you think. Bring it center, big inhale. Fantastic job. I hope you have a great day. If you're interested in some core, try this right here. I'll see you next time.